Let's process the file first. PDF files are generally used for documents. First, open our CorelDRAW software. New file. Click OK. Then import our file. Find the file location. Open the curve and click OK. Click with the left mouse button. That's when our files are imported. We will take out the logo we need laser engraving separately. Click on the pen box. A pop-up window appears. Click OK. With value changed to 0.001. You can leave the rest alone. Now let's check this line. It is necessary to remove the filling color. To select the file, left-click on this icon. At this time, the fill color is removed. No outline in sight, because its outline is white. So let's move the mouse to this black position. Click the right mouse button. The outline is colored. Next step. Combine into a whole. This size is 1:1. We need to make the size bigger. Zoom in before exporting. If you don't zoom in, the file will be deformed, usually at least 10 times. Add a 0 after. Click the Enter key. That's when our file gets bigger. After the file becomes larger, export the file. The exported format must be remembered. It is a fixed PLT format. Indicate selection. Export file. Click OK. At this point, the file has been converted. After the file is converted, open our laser engraving software. Import vector file. New files must be imported into vector files. OK, choose to open. Import that file in. The first step is to change the size back, because it's magnified 10 times, so we also shrunk tenfold. Click Apply after the change. This size unit is millimeters. It should be changed according to actual requirements. This file, be sure to put it in the center of my page. Can't put it next to it. The whole must be centered. Change the size. The next step is to fill. Fill it in and pay attention to this pen number. Just pay attention. Line spacing, that is, the density of the internal lines of the document after filling. That's usually around 0.5. But there are some special cases. It may need to be changed smaller. Then we click OK. Then you can see, so this line here is 0.5 millimeters. We noticed that the pen number is 2 in this place. 2 is red, so we can see that the file is red. But after we select the file with the parameters, the default displayed parameter pen number is not 2. That's not right. We want to change. Then when the file is selected, select the parameter here again, pen number 2. Right mouse click. Click to apply. Then switch over. Select the parameters displayed by the file. It must correspond to my file. The parameters here are now in a default state. Cancel it and you can modify it. There are only 2 places to modify the parameters here. The first is a speed. Control the length of time he types this logo. One more pause width. The size of this number controls the depth of color. The speed is generally 15 to 2000. Don't change it too big. After enlargement, the effect will be poor. The lines will not look good. So we can use the default parameters first. It can be modified later according to the actual situation. Save this file after everything is done here. Keep it. Then close. This is the file and is already done.